Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video, we will discuss one real-time interview question. So what is agile methodology? Or the interviewer will ask what the process you have used in your project while doing the testing, or which methodology you have used, right? So we having the multiple methodology and multiple process to deliver our project to a client, right? So now these days the company is going to use agile methodology. So what is the profit of agile, and what is the why we are going to use agile, right? So this is the real time interview question. If you are facing any interview or managerial round, definitely they will ask you to which methodology you are going to use in your current project or your last project. So every company, top level of the MNC company, and they are going to use agile. Again the question is why we use agile, right? You guys will already read many things on the Google, what is agile, but what actually agile is. So in this video we will discuss how to give the answer for that. Already told you, they can ask you which methodology or what the process you are going to follow in your company while working, right? So I will give you some practical knowledge. We already know the theory. You can go on the Google, you will get many theoretical part, but I will just imagine the thing because I cannot show you here diagram, and also just I'm recording this video to to get more confidence, and you guys are able to give the answer for what actually agile it is. So what happens, so people who is already working in the real time, they already know. The people who do not work in the real time, they are struggling to crack the interview, because you guys doesn't have a real time experience and you are searching job as experience level. So this video will help you a lot. You will get the boost up your confidence definitely. So in your resume you have to mention one tools that is called test management tools. Many tools are there in the market on the test management tool. Either you can use Jira, Rally, or many tools. I use Rally in my organization. You can use, the process are same, only navigations are different and web page are little bit different, but process are same for every tools of test management. So what actually agile is, if you will compare to waterfall model or any other model, we having the many disadvantage. I don't want to discuss what is the disadvantage of waterfall model. You can read, or I will give you some just basics of this waterfall model. We know once development is completed, you have to wait for the testing. If in the middle any requirement will come, if the customer want to change the requirement, we cannot able to do. But in agile, everything we are going to do parallelly. So that is the more profitable for the other methodology. What happened, so agile, like, just you can consider, if you will join any company, they have given the KT to you and they will assign the task to you. How they will assign the task? They will assign the task by using the any tools, either Jira or Rally. Then from here your agile process is going to start. You will get the task on the any test management tools. So what happened, developers are there, tester are there, and DevOps engineers are there to deliver our any project. Got it, right? Any project. Okay, so what happened, so every tools having the auto process of that. So one user story is there. What actually user story? User story is nothing but it is a one development task. Okay, so like I can give you the example of, I am working in Amazon company. So they want the coming in India, we having the festival, and they want to add some discount on the every product on the Amazon. So this is the enhancement we have to do, right? So this enhancement we have to do. So this requirement, who will give the requirement? Your manager or your scrum master or your business analyst. Any person will be there to assign or they will give you the requirement. Okay, so I will consider here who is there. Here your senior manager or your scrum master sometime is there. So this is these guys having the job to give a user a story and they will explain you the requirement. Got it, right? So what is the scrum master? Who is the scrum master? Your manager or your lead, anyone will be there. Okay, so they are the scrum master. So this is the one interview question: who is your scrum master? Got it, right? So a scrum master will assign the requirement to you, and that is called your one user story. So one user story is having right. So what happens? So they have assigned the task to the developer, and developer will understand the requirement. If they are not able to understand the requirement, they will reach out to a scrum master or manager who has given the requirement to that guy. Okay, developer. What is your job? You have to also understand the requirement. Got it, right? So everything is going to do parallelly. Got it, right? Developer already understand the requirement, then you have to also understand the requirement to define your test cases. Got it, right? So you have to define your test cases. So again you have to connect with developer already know. You can also connect the BA people also or manager also, but you should not go for manager. It is recommended, we will recommend to go to the developer, and developer already know the requirement. They will you can connect with them and you can understand the requirement. Then what is your job? So in user story, you guys are creating the task. Developer is already created the task, code changes, unit testing, then code coverage, then deployment. So this is the developer task. Then you have to also create a task inside this. So your task is create a new test cases, define the test cases. Then you have to create a test data for testing. Okay, manual testing. If again it depend upon your project or your company, are you guys are doing automation parallelly or not? Okay, so you can include the automation. Yes, I am also doing the automation parallelly, no issue. So this is your one task. So one user story having the multiple task. Got it, right? So this is called your one user story, and you are defining your task, and you have to also give the estimate of your task, how much time you will take. So every sprint, this complete task is called a sprint, having the 2-week sprint. Again it depend upon the company or organization. So maximum be having the 3-week sprint time. So in my project I have used for 2-week sprint time, and some of the project I have also used for 3-week sprint time. So you can define your task, a sprint as per your you can tell your sprint like 2-week is good. You can tell the 2-week we having the sprint duration. Got it, right? So what is the, so again I'm going to repeat, what is the agile, parallel? We are going to do parallelly development, testing and DevOps stuff. A scrum master, who is your scrum master? A scrum master is your senior manager or anyone. Is lead will be also there, right? So anyone will be there. Okay, so user story means you will get the requirement and you are defining the subtask inside this user story, right? So then what you have to do, 2 weeks, then you have defined your test cases. Then parallelly you are connected with the developer and you are creating the developer is doing the changes of the code, and you are defining the test cases, you are creating the test data. But when you will start your execution, when development will be completed, they will deploy the code on your test environment or your stage environment. So both are the same like that, test and stage environment. Then you will start your execution, test execution. If you, or it depend upon, if you are going to do parallel automation, manual is done, then you have to do parallel automation. If you want, again it depend upon your company, right? I'm not going to tell you. So you can involve to also, I was also doing the parallel automation while if once we will complete our manual testing. Got it, right? So what is the scrum meeting? So we having the stand-up meeting every day. We having the 20-minute or 30-minute a scrum meeting. So you have to give the status, what is your progress and how much time you are going to spend today and when you will complete your task, right? So who will ask to you, who will arrange this? A scrum master. A scrum master will arrange everything. So this is, this is your agile only. Don't make the things is complicated. Okay, this is your agile methodology. Got it, right? It's very simple. So what happened, you, if anyone will ask you what is the agile, you can simply tell this. Okay, definitely, the interviewer will satisfied with your answer. And you can also tell, okay, what they will ask you, what is your roles and responsibility. So understanding the requirement, defining the test cases, right, creating the test data, executing the test cases. And if you having the automation requirement, we have to do automation. If you are finding any defect, then you have to raise the defect using the rally tool only. You have to connect with the developer. Once developer will fix the defect, you have to do retesting. So this will, continuous process for agile and your development. Okay, so if you having the any question related to agile, you can reach out to me. And hope so this video will help you in your real time. And I want to do one request. If you this video is profitable for you, please share with your friend, your colleague who is struggling to give the answer for the real time. Many people are struggling. Even I was also struggling when I was in your position. Got it, right? I cannot find the proper thing. So that's why I want to make your life is simple. You should not lose any opportunity. So what is your help in your side? Please share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share this video with your friend and colleague. If you are facing still any issue, okay, please reach out to me. My contact number is there. I will guide you where you have to work and why you are not able to crack the interview. Again, thank you so much. If you having the any real-time interview question, you can comment below or you can reach out to me. Thank you. We will meet you in the next video.